What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the dungeon. Anyway, we're going to test this battery out. I got the black into the common. We are going to go to 20 volt DC, which I already know because I've already done it. But let's see if I can't. You can't see it, but I can see it. And there's no reading on it. So this battery might just be completely dead. I just picked up the Noco, let me see, Trickle Charger. Let's see, the Genius 1. And I'm going to see how long it takes to charge up this battery. I know this battery might just be completely done because it's been sitting in a vehicle. It hasn't been running. I mean, it has been running, but hasn't been turned on very much. So I'm going to get this hooked up, and I'll get you some shots. Okay, now we are charging, of course. Let me see. Can't do this one-handed in film. Basically, I know we're over 1,000 subscribers now. We need to get a tripod. That's just let me see if I can't figure this. Okay, a little bit better. This old tripod is probably moving somewhat. See if we get a reading. Huh, still nothing. Oh, we're still not getting a reading. So within I have somewhere to go, and I'll be back, and we'll see where we're at in about 2 hours. This is the Noco. One amp. She's not really reacting that well to the camera. But anyways, it's pulsating green. It's not solid green like it may appear. Anyway, so that took about 2 days or so. And if I would have got the 2 amp, it would have went a lot quicker. But so when it's pulsating green, it is at roughly 75%. Between that 75% and 100%, I'm going to let it go until it shows solid green and it doesn't, pulsate green. It'll be a solid green once it's 100%. Then I'm going to reinstall it into the car. I'm guessing this is going to take, probably to the end of tonight. It's like 3:30 right now. So, sometime tonight, like midnight, it'll probably be 100%. That's what I think. Maybe it'll never get back to 100%. I know this doesn't have a repair mode like some of the other ones, but that's okay. So there you have it. There is the Noco Genius 1 for 1 amp. And this was a regular 12 volt battery. Again, it took roughly 2 days. It is Thursday. I hooked it up Tuesday. Is when you seen the beginning of the video. So there you have it. Oh yeah, and we'll be back with some more videos. Thanks again for watching. Again, I picked this up. I had them price match it at AutoZone, and they price matched it to Walmart. They will not price match to Amazon. So it was like $23 before tax, $24 before tax. Thanks again. This is What's for Dinner, and I'm out.